काय करूया वैशाली, मी बोलते मनीषाशी. आता ती पण डॉक्टर आहे ना स्वतः, मला ती भेटतच नाहीये हातामध्ये. तर आता तिच्याशी बोलते मी आणि बोलून मग तुला सांगते की काय करता येईल ते.
चहा कॉफी बंद करा का?
So hello everyone. Thank you Ramni for the next session on Together We Can. It's really our pleasure and honor to host you, and definitely I have already placed my order. I know more will be coming soon. So thank you so much and looking forward to see what you will be teaching us today. So thank you and welcome on Together We Can.
Thank you, Vidya, and thank you Together We Can for giving me this opportunity. And thanks, Vidya, for the order. Today we will be looking at this cap, how to make this cap. This is a basic cap which is made using the double crochet stitch which we learned last week. We will be starting from the scratch, so that we will go again over how to do the slip knot, how to do the chains, and how we are going to do the double crochet. So let us start with it. I am using a 5.5 mm crochet hook and a number 4 or worsted weight yarn. So we start with making a slip knot. So we will hold this yarn like this, then we twist it, and this is our working end. We pull that working end through the loop. So this is our slip knot which we did in last session. So here we have a loop on our hook. So we now start with the chains. For this cap, I have made 45 chains. Okay, so now we start with chain. With this loop, we hold it with this finger, and now we start to chain. Yarn over the hook, pull through, yarn over the hook, pull through, yarn over the hook, pull through. So this we have got 3 chains. So we will make 45 chains like this. Okay, so let us start. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have this 45 chains. Now, as we do for double crochet, our turning chain is 2 chains. So what we do is chain 1, chain 2, and then we start double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So for double crochet, what we do is we yarn over, put it through the 3rd chain, grab the yarn. So we have 3 loops on the hook. We again yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is our first double crochet. Now in the second chain, the chain next to the chain where we did the double crochet, we will make 1 more double crochet, yarn over, through the chain, yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, through the chain, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, so this is how our 3 double crochets will look. Okay, so now we do rest of the double crochets, that is 45 double crochets. Okay, I will go slowly, but we will continue doing the double crochets.
हे असं दुसरा स्क्रीन येतो असं केलं की बाजूला कर बोलायचं असलं आणि म्यूट आहे त्यामुळे तू काही बोलला तरी त्याने ऐकू जाणार त्यांना काय आवाज आला काय
कमी केलाय मी तिथे दाखवते आता ती पुढे हे काही नवीन करेल तेव्हा बोलेल ती
जाऊ दे ना वास्तव ऐकू येतं तिथे बोलत असेल हेडफोन लावले
उज्ज्वला मी बोलत नाहीये, मी फक्त आता दाखवतीये.
हो ओके थँक्यू
Okay, so hey so our double crochets will look like this. We are continuing doing the double crochet. Double crochet will be yarn over, through the chain, grab the yarn, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, yarn over.
रमणी
हाँ
तारा बोलतेय प्रत्येक वेळी थर्ड चेन मध्येच घालायचं ना
no, you have to put it in the chain right next to the one we have made. Now see, we have made a double crochet in this chain. We yarn over and we put in the next chain. Only for the first time we make it in the third chain. Otherwise we do it in the chain next to the stitch we have crocheted. Okay.
ओके ओके थँक्स
बोलायचं असेल तर आवाज ऐकू येईल संपली वाटतं सगळी
So we are to the last chain now. Last chain is the one near the slip knot. Where we complete our first row. Okay. So for the second row, we start like for the double crochet, we do chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we turn our work. So now we will be working from this end to this end. For the first row, we worked from this end to this end. So now we have chained 2 and we are turning the work. To get this rib effect, see, you can see it has got a little rib effect, like one row is a little raised than the second row. So what we will be doing, we will be working in the back loop of this double crochet. If you see, there is this V on top of each double crochet. Okay. So let me know when you are done with the first row so that we can start with the second one. Those who are following with me.
रमणी, मी अनघा बोलतेय.
हा.
हे क्रोशे हुक घेताना काय बघून घ्यायचं असतं, म्हणजे इज देअर एनी थिंग टू लुक फॉर? म्हणजे ते 5.5 mm आहेच, पण बाकी?
हा, बाकी ऍक्च्युली 2-3 वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे असतात. लाईक हे रेग्युलर हुक असतं विदाउट हँडल, आणि मग असे हँडल वाले मिळतात. म्हणजे दॅट इज जस्ट की आपल्या कम्फर्टसाठी. स्पेसिफिक काही नसतं. आणि 2 टाइप्स येतात. हे जे आहे ते इनलाईन हुक म्हणतात, आणि दुसरं असतं हे युजली सुसान बेट्सचे हे येतात, सॉरी बोयेचे हे येतात, BOYE. आणि दुसरे सुसान बेट्सचे येतात ना, ते असे हे जे टोक आहे, टोक नसतं, त्याला चपटं असतं. बट इट्स आवर ओन प्रेफरन्स की आपल्याला कोणतं व्यवस्थित पडतं. आय एम यूज टू युझिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ हुक्स, आणि दीज आर द कॉमनली युज्ड हुक्स. आणि फॉर द साईज, मी आधी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे यानशी रिस्पेक्टिव्ह साइजेस असतात. यानच्या पॅकेज वरती इथं हुक साईज लिहिलेला असतो नेहमी. यू शुड ऑलवेज द करस्पॉन्डिंग हुक साईज फॉर द यान.
मग आता तू कुठले वापरते, कुठल्या कंपनीचं वापरतेस हुक?
माझे हुक आहेत हे क्लोवरचे सॉफ्ट टच आहेत. एक्सपेन्सिव्ह, आणि हे सेट्स मध्ये येतात. अच्छा. असा सेट येतो पूर्ण हुकचा, रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 2.5 mm 2.5 mm पासून ते 6 mm पर्यंतचे हुक्स येतात हे.
ओके.
हा, आणि दीज आर काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेन्सिव्ह. हे साधारण $45 का $50 हे सेट आहे. अदरवाइज दीज हुक्स आर प्रेटी चीप. $1.50 $2 पर्यंत मिळतात हे.
ओके, थँक्यू.
Okay, those who are following, are you done with the row 1? Ashwini, Sara, आणि Archana, I think.
Yes. ते पण तू पुढे जाऊ शकते. I can understand.
Okay. Sara, are you okay?
कारण मी मध्ये मध्ये
माझंही
दुसरं
कठीणच
काहीतरी
दिसतंय. माझं बहुतेक निडल मोठी झालीये
कारण मी मध्ये मध्ये
आणि
दुसरंही काहीतरी करते.
अर्चन, आय थिंक तुझं यार्न आहे ते नंबर 3चं यार्न आहे.
अगं त्याच्यावर 4 लिहिलेलं दिसलं मला. छोटा दिसतंय ना, मलाही वाटलं होतं हे.
इथं हा 4 नंबर आहे का? असा 4 नंबर आहे का इथे?
नाही. मी त्याचं कव्हर आता आत ठेवलंय.
नाही,
तसा नाहीये.
तो मंडला यार्न दिसतोय मला. दॅट इज अ नंबर 3 यार्न.
छोटं दिसतंय हे आणि निडल त्या मानाने माझी मोठी आहे बहुतेक. मी 3चा सेट आणला होता. पण दुसरी ती खूपच छोटी आहे आणि या दुसऱ्या 2 आहेत त्या मोठ्या आहेत. पण ते मॅच होत नाहीये त्याला. मी ते घालायचा प्रयत्न करतेय. पण मला आता दुसरा कॉल पण सुरू होईल 9 वाजता परत.
अच्छा, ओके.
तर मी निघेन त्याच्यानंतर. पण जाऊ दे, मी आपली तुझ्याकडेच ऑर्डर देऊन टाकेन. मी आपली आज आवडते म्हणून बसतीये.
हो, चालेल, काही हरकत नाही. सारा, आर यू फॉलोइंग? आर यू ओके विथ इट?
सारा
चालेल.
बेबीसाठी
आणि आय थिंक उज्ज्वला तुम्ही करताय ना?
मी पाहतेय सध्याला, पण मी साइड बाय साइड रेकॉर्ड करतेय.
ओके, ठीक आहे.
कारण मी पहिले काहीतरी 5-10 मिनिटं मिस केले, त्यामुळे मला ते यार्न आणि निडलची आयडिया नाहीये. माझं आहेत बऱ्याचशा निडल्स. आता त्यातनं मी पाहते की कुठली माझं तू सांगितलेल्या प्रमाणे आहे ती.
अच्छा, ओके.
कारण मी 30 वर्षापूर्वी शिकलेली आहे.
ओके. मग विसरणं अवघड आहे खरं. विसरत नाहीत या गोष्टी.
सवय नाहीये, कधी केलं नाहीये ग. बाकीचं ते विणकाम केलेलं आहे बऱ्यापैकी. म्हणजे स्वेटर वगैरे केलेले आहेत. क्रोशा फार कमी केलाय मी.
Okay, then we will move on to the second row. Like I told you, there is a V on top of every stitch. Can you see it?
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yes.
when you hold like this, there will be one yarn near to you and one yarn far from you of that V. So now what we will do, we will not put our hook like this. We will not be putting like this.
Okay.
What we will be doing is, we will be only putting our hook in the yarn which is far from us. Okay. So this is the V. This is the V. And what I am doing is I am putting the hook only in one yarn which is far away from me. And we will be doing the single crochet in that yarn and not the entire. We will not be doing like this. We should have only one yarn when we put it in the stitch. Okay. So we get this kind of rib effect. Otherwise it will be just plain. So now we start with the row 2. Like I told you, we have to chain 2 and turn our work. Then again what we do, yarn over, then we put it only through the one yarn which is far from me. Then I grab the yarn, pull through. So I have 3 loops on my crochet hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It will be same way how we work the double crochet, but only we will be working in the back loop of double crochet. That is the yarn in the V, which is far from us. Okay. So now we start doing it. Continue doing the double crochets in the back loop till the end. And make sure to keep on counting so that you have the equal number of stitches every rows. While I am doing, I am counting it in my mind because counting is the key. Otherwise, the work goes on tapering. Either you lose first stitch or you add a stitch at the end. So always count so that you have equal number of stitches every row.
हॅलो रमणी,
हा.
तू सुरुवात केली तेव्हा फर्स्ट रो ला किती हे घातले होतेस?
45 chains आणि 2 turning chains, म्हणजे I have total of 45 double crochets in a row.
ओके.
And this is a average adult size hat. So if you want to make it for kids, you will have to reduce the number of stitches.
Okay.
Normally the height of the hat is 8 to 10 inches.
Okay.
You have to measure it from the crown till here,
Okay.
just below our earlobe.
Okay.
And if you want a little slouchy hat, you can increase the height. Keep on doing the double crochets only in the back loop, as you see in the yarn away from us. If you want, you can change the color after the 2 rows, so that every 2 rows you will have a different color. The striped one also looks nice. If you want, I can show you how to change the color again, how to make it with the two colors. So here we are at the end of the row 2, and you can see the ridges formed, or the ribs formed, and it looks same from both the sides, this side and this side. There is no right or wrong side as such, because we will be folding it like this for the rim of the beanie. It will look same from both the sides. So continuing like this, we will be doing till this measures 18 inches to fit a normal adult head. So let me show it to you. It will look like this. Okay, see here I have used 2 colors. And I have continued doing this till it measures 18 inches in length. Okay, any questions so far? If we are okay with it, I would like to show how to convert this rectangle to the hat. Or do you want to go over one more row? Because we will continue doing the same thing, always working in the back loop of the double crochet, so that we have the ribs. Okay. So now we have this ready. It is 18 inches in length, and I have 45 stitches for the length. So now what we do, we fold it in half. Fold it in half means we bring this side and this side together, and then we start joining it. Okay. As you can see, this is our last row. We have this V's over here, and this is my last loop. What I do is I have chain 1 and then going in the back loop of the stitch and in the chain of the first row, because we have this chain when we started, right? So in the back loop of the last row and chain of the first row. Basically what we have to do is we have to stitch these two together till the end. You can use needle and thread to do it. You can use this needle and just stitch it like we normally do, or we do this. By doing this we get a very clean edge, so that you don't see where we have joined it. If you stitch it, kind of you see a ridge that is thick, but if you join like this, you don't know where the hat has been joined. It becomes very seamless, so you can wear it either way, front, back, or so that there is no stitch visible. Okay, so what we do is we basically go on doing the slip stitch. What I have done is I have a loop on my yarn. I put it through the back loop and I put it through the chain of the first row. So now I have three on my hook. I yarn over and I pull through all three. Okay, now I again have one. So what I do is back loop, chain. So now again I have three. I yarn over and pull through all three. So this is known as the slip stitch. So what we do is we go into the back loop, chain, yarn over and pull through all three. Basically, we are stitching the two edges together. And this is, when we are doing this, this is kind of check that our first row and the last row we have the same stitches, so that it is not trapezoid, slanting, anything. Keep on counting so you have the straight edges. Okay, what I'm doing is I am gathering the gathering one yarn from the last row and one yarn from the first row, and I am just stitching it together. Don't pull the yarn too tight, otherwise it will be kind of ruffled, which we don't want. We want a straight, loose stitch all the way through. Okay, let me finish this and I'll come back to you. Continue doing the slip stitch till the last stitch. We're almost there. 3 more stitches. We are in the end. We kind of stitched the two together. When you do this, you can't really tell that it has been stitched here. You can see it becomes very seamless, and so you can either wear it inside out also, and it really doesn't matter because both the sides look the same when we stitch like this. But if we use needle and thread, then it kind of sticks out like an edge. Okay, so now we are done stitching this, and we have cut the yarn. So now what we have is basically a tube of a woolen cloth. Now what we will do is we will use this needle and we will thread this yarn through it. Okay, and we will start gathering the first row like this, just like we do the cloth to gather together. Okay, do it from the first or the uppermost double crochets. You just have to weave through in, just like we stitch our cloth. And continue doing this all around and come back here. So we are back to the end. Now what we have to do is we have to pull this thread and close this. See, we had this opening here. What I'm doing is I have threaded the yarn around the tube and I am just pulling it close shut. Okay, and then using our needle, we just secure it just making a stitch and two from here to there and pull it tightly so that the top is closed. Make sure that all the ends are secured properly. Okay, so this is how it will look. Okay, this is our right side now because we stitched it on the other side. Okay, now I have this pom-pom made, so we will attach it to the hat. What we will do is we have our yarn and we stitched it this side. So on the other side, I'm just going to put the yarn. This is the right side of the hat. We have to attach the pom-pom here. So what we do, we put our crochet hook through the stitch where we have stitched the tube shut, and there are two ends to the pom-pom. You can get these ready-made pom-poms in Joann's or Michael's, or you can make your own using the cardboard rounds. I think we have learned this making in the school. So now what I do is I pull these two ends through the hat inside. Then I take the hook on the other side of that stitch and I pull the other end of the pom-pom. Okay, now I turn the hat inside out where we had stitched and tie the knot securely. Okay. Use the thread which we had used for stitching. I'll cut it. And using all the yarn, all the ends, stitch it. Or do not cut it, just try and weave in the ends here and there. Let the ends be inside. If you cut it too short, there is a chance that it unravels and your hat will start to come off into threads. So secure as far as possible. You can weave in the ends here or leave it as is because they are going to be just inside. So we are turning our hat now inside out. Okay, so here we have the pom-pom. And so our hat is ready. Now I have a few ends to tuck in using this needle because I have used 2 different colors and I have kept on cutting them. Or you can use this end to sew in, and this will be inside. So this is how you make the hat from a rectangle. Okay. So,
Good.
खूप छान
do you have any questions?
खूप छान छान
मस्त
रमणी.
आहे.
Thank
खूप
you.
छान आहे.
So I think we are done for the session today. If anybody has any questions, I will answer them.
Ramani, I have one question. So while starting with any material or item, how we should decide the loops or the, I don't know, the chains, how many should be there for each item?
Yeah, actually, I usually measure it and then I decide. So for the scarf, if I have to make it for myself, I will chain from my this hand to this hand, all stretched out. So that is the length I want for my scarf. For hat, as I said, I will measure from the crown of my head to just below my earlobes, and like a 3 or 2 inches to fold over the ear. So if you see, this fits like this, okay? And we have a double over the ears, so it prevents from any wind or anything. And I basically like my hats with pom-poms, so this is it.
Got it. So it's not something pre-decided, kind of like as we can go on and we can have the chains accordingly.
No, but as a thumb rule, it is like for adults, the length of the rectangle which we made is 18 centimeters. For kids, it's like 15 to 16 centimeters. And for babies, you have to have like 12 to 13 centimeters.
Okay.
These are for the hats made using the rectangle. But these hats, what I have made, these start as in a circle. There is no rectangle made or anything. Here we begin, and this length is measured. It is usually 8 to 10 centimeters. Now this is for a child 10 years old, and the circumference is 16 inches total.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a different kind of hat. It is worked in rounds and not as a rectangle. So,
But did you use the same stitches for this one? But
yes,
just the working that is
I have used the double crochet stitches. If you can see, these are the double crochet stitches, but these
Okay.
are worked in the round and not in the rows. It is something different to do.
Okay.
And this hat it has 2 layers. You can see the one layer of this blue and variegated yarn, and from inside it is a plain purple yarn. So it has already double layers, as you can see, like this.
So you have done that at the same time, inside is different and outside is different?
Yes, at the same time. For the crown, for these first 3-4 circles, I have used only one color. You can see the first is purple, then is the variegated, then again is the purple, and then I have started using the I have started making the 2 layers at once, so that it covers this portion and it is double, so that there is no wind, or it is the ears have a double protection for cold.
Okay. Okay. Nice it is. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Ramnita,
Thank
do
you.
you have a web page that could be followed, like for the photos and?
Yeah, I have a Facebook page,
Okay,
Ramani's Crochet.
Ramneet's Crochet. Okay, let me search for that.
Yeah, sure.
Ramni, when did you start doing crochet?
I started crocheting in winter of 2013. That was my first winter in Illinois. I was in Peoria that time, and bored to death because that was my first winter. And actually, my mom had tried teaching me. She had taught me the basic stitches and everything. But while I was in India, I never was interested in it. But once I was here, because I could use it, I could make things and really wear it here. I started doing it seriously.
No, this hat looks good too. The one which
Yeah,
you're
it's
holding,
very
right?
cute.
Yeah,
The purple
Very
one.
cute.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The color combination.
Yeah,
Actually, this is
basically I
for
love the color combination.
yeah. It's my friend's daughter. She wanted these colors, so I'm making it for her. It's a set actually.
Oh,
Oh,
so
that's nice.
cute.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ramni.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Krishna.
It was really nice, Ramani.
Thanks, Ramni.
Yeah.
And I think, I don't know if there is any hope for a novice like me. मी कधीच केलं नाही आहे क्रोशे वगैरे. हातात क्रोशेची निडल पण धरली नाही आहे.
Okay. Is this Shruti?
Oh, it's me, Anagha. Sorry.
Anagha.
Okay.
Yeah.
मी
So,
धरणाच्या भानगडीतच पडणार नाहीये. मी तुलाच सांगणार आहे. पेशन्सची कामं असतात ती नाही जमत.
I would love to make.
मला तर तो कलरही मी डिसाइड केला. एक पिंक यान तू आता दाखवलं होतं ना साईज साठी.
Okay, size साठी. Oh, this is red. This is red.
This is the red, yeah.
पिंक डार्क पिंक असा मेजेंटा कलर सारखा वाटतोय तो.
अच्छा.
हा,
Okay.
असा ह्याच्यात तो डार्क पिंक वाटतोय.
म्हणून मी म्हटले चला माझ्या डोक्यात
काइंड ऑफ राणी कलर.
राणी कलर करेक्ट.
So if you want, you can just message me whatever you want. But let me be sure this is not a cheap hobby, because the yarn, if you go and see, it's quite costly, because if you compare whatever you get in Walmart or here and there and whatever we make, it is not cost effective, or it is not comparable cost. So for this set, I have needed yarn about $12 yarn, and I've spent around 1.5 hours making this hat, and around 4 to 5 hours making this scarf. So normally I charge $25 for this set. This is how it goes. And this is the basic type of yarn I have used. But for some novelty yarns, means if you want a wool blend, or if you want a pure cotton yarn, the yarn prices go exponentially high. Means you can even check in Michael's or Joann's, the yarn is costly. So I just want to make sure that it's not cheaper.
No, the quality, we can look at the quality, right? It's really
And
good.
it's unique, means you can choose your own color combinations. If you have any pictures, you can send it to me. I can make it for you. And you can check my Facebook page. There are many different patterns I have made, different jackets, different shawls. You can look through it and you can let me know if you want me to make, or if you want to learn, just tell me. I am willing to teach it to you also. We can go anything, means if you want to learn this hat, we will go as per that. Means it's up to you how you want to go ahead. But I'm open to doing it. I'm open to teaching both the things.
रमणी,
Yeah.
तू क्लासेस सुरू करणार आहेस का?
Ujjwala ka?
That's a good
Yes, मी उज्ज्वला.
Yes, if there is an interest, I can teach, and means we can pick up a product, we can pick up a thing you want to make, and we can start from the basics and go ahead with it. Yes.
Okay.
and Ramni, it's me, Anagha again. You're
Yeah.
saying, you did say about this is not cost effective compared to Walmart, but I can see the quality difference. The hats we find at Walmart, those are flimsy. Your hat looks quite plush. It has double layers, so it will give proper protection.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I have not used any store-bought hats for any winter I am here. I have always made and used my own hats. And for kids, those who don't want to wear hats, I make these ear warmers. They fit quite nicely, and when you are wearing a parka or anything, you can't wear a big hat, but your ears stay warm using this. Last year when I had Haldi Kumkum, I had made this for several small girls, and especially Archana's younger daughter. She loved it so much. She wore it all the winter that year. So these also fit nicely, and these are very pretty easy to make, and around 30-35 minutes you can make one. And depending upon the design, means this is very, you can see a holy design with the lace and everything. But if you make it a thick one, like the hats we have made, those are very warm to wear. And I usually wear this when I go cycling, or my husband wears it when he goes running. These are kind of convenient.
So for that, to make that, even for that also, it requires 45 chains or
No, this
different?
is now, this goes around your head. It goes like
Yeah.
this, right?
Huh.
It's like this. So now you have to take 18 inches. This is our circumference. Normal adult head, we have to make it 18 inches. It is around 20 to 22 inches is our head circumference. But when we make 18 inches of it, it stretches and it fits properly. But if you make 22 inches, it will be very loose. So
I mean, how many chains do we have to start with?
for this, I don't remember. I think I have started this about 78 to 80 chains. I don't remember exactly. But
Oh,
I go usually,
78.
when I am doing the circumference, I go by the measurement instead of the chains.
Oh, okay.
रमणी ते घालून तू खूप सुंदर दिसत होतीस.
या
ती स्वतःच्या याची मॉडेल आहे.
Right.
Oh my! If you look at my Facebook page,
I know,
I am
seriously.
modeling
Yeah.
there. It's me or my daughter, and I like to make and I like to wear also.
That is more important.
Yeah,
So you can
Yes.
showcase your own products,
yeah.
basically.
Okay, so if we are done,
यस सर
Thank you, Ramni.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you so much, Ramani. So आज
Thank
परत
you so
आलीस
much,
आणि
Ramani.
you explained so beautifully.
Sudarshan.
So hopefully आता तुझे क्लासेस सुरू झाले की तू फेसबुक पेज वर पोस्ट कर.
Oh,
If I get an opportunity, I'll definitely be there.
yeah. Thank you.
थँक्यू
Thank you everyone
Thank
for
you.
joining in.
थँक्यू
Yeah, and do-
रमणी मी
Thank
आता काही
you.
बनवलं नाही पण मी तुझ्या बोटांकडेच बघत होते
Oh,
व्हेरी
sir,
ब्युटिफुल
sir.
नाही
Oh.
म्हणजे
Thank
इतके